Hey, it's Sergi, and welcome to the Safety Fellowship podcast. For safety talks, safety blogs, safety articles, safety learning and awareness, and all other safety subject matters, log on to safefellow.com. Come on, let's talk safety. Hey, welcome. And today's topic is construction site safety and health guidelines. Construction site safety and health guidelines are essential as workers' exposure to hazards such as falls, electrocution, and being struck by equipment or falling objects are inevitable. On today's topic, we're going to talk on personal protective equipment, that is PPE, fall protection systems, electrical hazard safety precautions, basic construction site needs, hazardous material awareness, daily routine site inspection, and quality control. Employers must implement safety and health measures on construction sites to protect workers and minimize the risk of accidents by following the safety and health guidelines provided by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, that is OSHA. And the first safety and health guidelines we're talking on today is personal protective equipment. One of the primary safety measures employers must enforce on construction site is PPE, that is personal protective equipment. And the PPE includes hard hats, safety glasses, earplugs, gloves, safety shoes, and many more. Workers must wear the appropriate PPE, that is, they must wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, depending on the task they are assigned. Employers should also train workers on adequate using and maintaining their personal protective equipment. And the second safety and health guidelines for today's podcast is fall protection system. Fall protection system is the other safety implementation that employers must enforce and provide on construction sites. Fall protection system is crucial for workers working at heights such as high-rise buildings, roofings, or scaffoldings. Fall protection systems includes guardrails, safety nets, and personal fall arrest systems. Employers must ensure that the fall protection systems are installed and inspected regularly for efficient functionality. And the third safety measures we're talking on today is electrical hazard precaution. Electrical hazards are common on construction sites, and employers must implement measures to protect workers from electrocution. Electrical safety includes ensuring that electrical equipment is properly grounded, providing workers with insulated tools and equipment, and marking electrical hazards with warning signs. And the fourth safety and health measures on today's podcast is basic construction site needs. In addition to safety and health measures, employers must also take steps to ensure workers' health on construction sites are met in the following areas. 1. Providing access to clean drinking water, restroom, and washing, etc. 2. Implement a heat stress management program to prevent heat exhaustion and other heat-related illnesses. And the fifth safety and health guidelines is hazardous material awareness. Employers must train workers on the hazards associated with the materials they are working with, such as hazardous chemicals and asbestos. Employers must also provide workers with information on the proper handling and disposal of hazardous materials, not limited to permits required for such hazardous materials. And the sixth safety guidelines on today's podcast is daily routine site inspection. Employers must conduct regular safety inspections on construction sites to ensure the safety and health of the workers. And the seventh safety and health measures on today's podcast is quality control. Employers should encourage workers to report any safety concerns and investigate all reported incidents to prevent future job accidents or job injuries. The probability of a job injury is higher on a construction site, and it is entitled to workers' compensation. Employers must implement safety and health measures on construction sites to protect workers and minimize the risk of accidents. The bottom line for today's podcast is to bring awareness to workers and employers on the safety and health guidelines on a construction site. Employers must provide workers with appropriate personal protective equipment, fall protection systems, and training on the hazards associated with their work. Regular safety inspection and incident investigations are critical to providing and nurturing a safe and healthy working environment. By implementing these measures, employers can ensure their employees return home sound and safe at the end of each working day. And these conclude our podcasting for today. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Soji. Bye. For safety talks, safety blogs, safety articles, safety learning and awareness, and all other safety subject matters, log on to safefellow.com. Come on, let's talk safety.